I can get thumbs up, man. Let me see thumbs up.
Look at the baby. You see the baby pop up?
Oh, look at the babies chilling together. They're beautiful looking though, to be honest.
Would you like to go swim with them? Here comes the dog.
No, that's a good question. You want to go swimming with them? No.
Not that big.
Look, the black ones blend in so good. Look at them. I didn't know there was so many. They all
poised, right?
Mm-hmm.
See the orange ones. They're huge. See, every time if I'm
Zay, you like the fish, man?
Do you like the orange one the best?
I do like the orange one. I like that one, the white and orange one. You see it?
Yes, I like that one's cool. And do you like that one right there?
Yeah.
Which
That
one?
one and the black one?
The white one and the black one. I also like that.
Oh, that would have been so cute when he made that little song.
He makes up songs all the time. Oh, there's a rope maze too. I want to go do both.
Are you ready?
Cool.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
I'm excited.
Keep grabbing his phone case instead of my
Pedal
phone.
cart.
Thank you. Because I don't have my seat.
Let's see if I got you.
This long brick building off to my right is our banquet hall. We have company events there, so
That's only half the lake, man.
Did you hear they use the water from it to crops? They don't get enough rain.
What? Whoa.
I love it.
Woo! Look at the clouds, man. So beautiful.
I love it.
Some pretty skies in it, man. No buildings in sight. You see any buildings?
No, I don't.
No buildings, all sky, man. I love it. You love it?
Yes.
What is that?
A cloud.
What are them orange things on the ground over there?
I can't.
Whoa!
Right?
I was like, you 5, man. You stole your 5, mommy. Let me get your hand, baby.
Yeah.
So they said that we can't pick. Whoa! They said we can't pick no more. Like the season for picking is over.
I bet if you walked out there, you could. I don't know, probably not.
All the
Yeah,
stuff.
look, the apples are growing now. Is that what the apples are? Yeah, those are great.
They're stopping.
No, they're just turning. They're slowing down the turn.
Man, that drive safer than your daddy.
Yeah. Trees in a minute.
Oh, that seedless white. Look.
Is the Christmas tree going to be right there or right
That's how
there?
they make all that wine. Oh, these pictures are beautiful with the trees behind them and everything.
I love it. Look at it, man. Look at those trees.
Orange.
Orange.
That.
You want to go on the big slide?
We'll do everything else first.
Oh, they're landing. The little small tractors.
Yeah.
Yep.
They're just his size.
I want to
We're
see
back.
how slide.
We're
I
back.
do too.
Oh yeah. What was that mountain slide over there?
This is the big scoop in the slide.
Yeah. You want to go down that?
They have
Oh.
an apple jump too. Where you can jump on it.
Oh, we're going to get some fantastic pictures.
What?
Are you happy?
I've already got better pictures today than I've got in so long.
Literally like you.
I was going to jump down and be on the big old slide.
I know. I want to see you go down that big old slide.
Oh, we made it.
Yeah.
Safe.
You got pictures.
Say thank you
There you
very
go.
much.
What she saying?
Thank you very much.
That was cool.
There you go.
That's cool.
Very cool, man.
You got it? Oh, you got it, big boy. Take your time. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah.
That's the greatest time ever.
Okay, what's around on this tractor?
Not again. That was gonna be worse. That was gonna be a big slide.
You want to go down the big slide first, man?
Yes, big slide.
I think it's this way. Oh, my mask. I got my mask. This way.
Let's go down to the big slide.
Okay, Kyle.
Mountain slide. Let's go. Mountain slides. I love my baby.
That was Kylo me too. He's so sweet.
Get in your cage. Get in your cage. Go in your turkey cage right now. You crazy turkey. I'm shutting the gate too, man.
That's like turkey's bigger than you, Zay.
What's behind it? What's behind here? Oh, mommy is.
You see the basketball so cute.
You need help me, man? You wanna go on the slide?
I do.
All right, race you to it. You race you to it? You gotta count to 3 though, and then let me know.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, whoa, whoa, ah, get it. Oh, am I winning? Zay's beating me. No, Zay's gaining. He's gaining on me. No, he's too fast. Oh my gosh. Woo, we made it. We made it. Throw your arms up in the air, man. Say, we made it. We made it. 1. I'm gonna slide behind you. 2, 3, go. Oh, oh.
Let's see that again.
You trying to go down, mommy? You wanna go this way?
He's got his eyes closed.
Go, mom. I got you first.
He's gonna be
Woo,
for sure.
mommy.
Eyes closed.